Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the door on your GE microwave. To remove and reinstall the door, it only requires a few basic hand tools. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the first thing you want to do when taking the door off from your microwave is unplug it from the outlet. So once that's done, the next thing you want to do is take a Phillips screwdriver and you're going to want to remove the two screws that hold the top grill in place. So we're just going to take a Phillips screwdriver and remove the right hand screw and then do the exact same thing on the other side. Just take hold of the grill from either side and you can pretty much just wiggle it out of position and then set it to one side. So now all we need to do is just open the door, open it up so it's at about a 90 degree to the microwave, and then put your hand at the base of the door and lift up. That will free the top hinge and allow you to lift it off the bottom hinge. So to reinstall it, it's just as easy. You're just going to bring the door into place. You've got a pin here in the bottom that goes into this hinge. Now bring your top one in, and now we're just going to raise the door a little bit so the pin can come into position. Allow that pin to come in and drop into that hole. And then the door will settle into place, and now you can close it up and then put your front grill back on. Now to put your grill back in, you'll notice on the bottom of the grill there's 1, 2, 3 little tabs. And when you look on the microwave, there's a hole in the identical 3 positions. So all you're going to do is bring in your grill, drop those tabs into those holes. That lines it up, and then just going to push down a little bit. There we go. And now we just put our 2 screws back in, and that'll be secured. So the last thing we're going to do, of course, is to plug our microwave back in and reprogram the board for our clock and stuff. Now this is an over-the-counter microwave. This repair or this removal of the door and reinstallation can all be done without taking the microwave down from the cabinets. As long as it's been installed properly as per the manufacturer's instructions, you'll be good to go. So there you go. That's how easy it is to remove and replace the door handle on your GE microwave.